Morning students. We have already discussed about the balance the redox reaction, that is only by oxidation number method. Better redox reaction can be balanced by two methods. One is the oxidation number method and another one is the ion electron method or reduction half method. Ion electron method or reduction half method. Beta, ion electron method or reduction half method has some common rule as that of oxidation number method. First rule, that is same. Rules involving ion electron method to balance the redox reaction. Beta, first rule, write the skeletal equation. Write the skeletal equation. Second, indicate oxidation number. Indicate oxidation number of each element. Involved in the reaction. First of all, write the skeletal equation. After that, indicate oxidation number of each element involved in the reaction. These two rules are same. Third rule also similar. Identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Beta, these three rules are common with oxidation number method. These three rules are common with oxidation number method. Now, fourth rule. Separate the two half reactions. Separate the two half reactions. That is oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Now, after that, when skeletal equation will be written, then oxidation number will be indicated over each and every element involved in the reaction. Identify oxidation, reduction, oxidizing and reducing agent. Oxidation half reaction on one side, reduction half reaction on another side. Now balance these two half reactions. Balance these two half reactions by some rules. These are, first of all, balance the atom that is oxidized or reduced. The element which show oxidation or reduction will be balanced first. Then add electron on requisite side. That is on right hand side in oxidation half reaction and left hand side in reduction half reaction. Left hand side in reduction half reaction. Beta, first of all, these four rules are common in one equation. skeletal equation, then oxidation number, oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Then two half reactions are separated out. Oxidation half reaction on one side, reduction half reaction on another side. Then balance these two half reactions by follow some separate rules. These rules are, first of all, balance the atom. In oxidation number, atom are balanced after balancing the charge. But here, atoms are balanced first. Then add electron on right hand side in oxidation, left hand side in case of reduction. Then balance the charge. Then balance the charge. Beta, how charge is balanced? How will you identify how charge is balanced? Beta, you must remember charge is balanced in acidic medium. In acidic medium, charge is balanced by addition of H positive ion. By addition of H positive ion. Clear? And then in basic medium, by addition of OH negative ion. By addition of OH negative ion. Then after balancing the charge, balance the oxygen atom. Balance the oxygen atoms by addition of water on deficient side. Oxygen atom will be balanced by addition of water on deficient side. This is already been learned in our previous rule, that is the oxidation number method. After that, hydrogen, balance the hydrogen. Better to balance the hydrogen, add H positive ion on deficient side in acidic medium. If reaction is in acidic medium, charge is balanced by addition of H positive ion. Hydrogen atom also addition by addition of H positive ion. And then hydrogen will be balanced by addition of OH negative ion on deficient side, as the rule same in, as the rule beta similar in oxidation number method. Hydrogen atom we balanced in basic medium by addition of water on deficient side and OH negative on another side. That is the another rule. In basic medium, hydrogen atom is balanced by addition of water on deficient side and OH negative ion on other side. OH negative ion on other side. This is the part of E. Beta, fifth rule, balance the two half reactions. These two half reactions can be balanced by follow these rules. First, balance the atom to be oxidized or reduced. That means balance that atom whose oxidation number is change, either decrease or increase, but other than oxygen and hydrogen. Then add electron on right hand side in oxidation number, left hand side in reduction. Then balance the charge Charge is balanced simply by addition of H positive ion in acidic medium, by addition of OH negative ion in basic medium. Then balance the oxygen atom by addition of water on deficient side. Oxygen will be balanced. Now balance the hydrogen atom. This rule is also same as that oxidation number. In case of acidic medium, add H positive ion. But in case of basic medium, for the balancing of hydrogen, add water on deficient side and OH negative ion on another side. These rules are similar. These two rules also similar with oxidation number method. Now sixth rule. Now sixth. Add these two balanced half reaction and multiply with suitable integer. Multiply with suitable integer to balance the electron. To balance the electrons. Now your reaction is balanced. Verify the balance of reaction as the verification done in oxidation number method. As the verification done in oxidation number method. Beta, number of rules are similar. With oxidation number method, only rule number 4 and rule number 5 and rule number 6 will be different. First, second, third rule exactly same. In rule number 5, D and E point same as that of oxidation number method. In your exam, question must be arise balance the redox reaction either by oxidation number method or by ion electron method. Both methods are equally important. Thank you.